for a 4-rail position. Medyo na-diretso pa yung cue ball position ni Livan Cortesa on the 6th. Pero not a problem for Livan Cortesa. With 4 balls remaining on the table for Livan Cortesa. 7 to the side packet, probably 8 on the same packet. So now let's see where will Livan Cortesa position the cue ball for the 9. So 2 balls remaining on the table for Livan Cortesa. Livan Cortesa now on a final ball for tonight. And looks like he's already having a taste of this victory. Livan Cortesa now on the 10 to the corner pocket. And there you have it. Livan Cortesa winning this special 10-man event for this day before the new year. So congratulations Livan Cortesa. Likewise, congratulations to Jericho Banyares for being the second placer. And the rest, congratulations din sa lahat ng players. So our third and